I lost 3 weeks of edited videos, so I am gonna restart from scratch. Some of the projects I've gotten further along than others, but we'll get back with it. But here's what I'm working on. This is the fire camper rebuild. I'm working on the outside of it. Getting all the body work done. I gotta still go over it with a orbital sander to feather out some things, but it looks good. Still gotta finish off some sanding up there and there. Pull the window. Still finish up the sanding here on the front. I got some sanding left to do, as you can tell. This side here, same thing. I got a few spots to finish up. I actually take a Bondo and I will thin it down with fiberglass resin to thin it out so I can use it as a glazing putty. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. I will be trying to get this painted for 4th of July weekend. We was out for Memorial Day week for 2 weeks during Memorial Day weekend, but we want to get it done. I want to get it done for try to get at least the paint done for 4th of July weekend. It's been hot, humid, been rainy off and on, so it's kind of hard to work on this on the outside of the camper. I could take it out of town to a friend of mine's, which I had plenty of space to park it inside a pole barn and paint it in there, but I'm gonna just do it at my location, or where the camper is located, due to the fact of I don't want to pull it 60 miles and then turn around and pull it back and let it sit overnight there and then pull it back the next day. So we'll just we're going to put up a tent tarp on each side. We're doing a single stage paint on it. I gotta put primer sealer down and then the rest of it. But we're gonna do a single stage paint. In that case, so it's quicker, it's cheap, and it was a little cheaper. I just don't have to deal with base coat, base clear. I don't know how well the paint's gonna match with this, but we're gonna take and try to blend it back a little bit, because I did, it's a little dirty right now, but I did get the paint to match close to that. Let's see. Yeah, close to it. It's right here. Real close to it. Sorry about the dirtiness in the paint, but it comes really close to matching. I mean, it might be a shade off, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. But we're gonna. Here's the plan. Is next couple of videos I'm gonna do the fire camper rebuild. It's supposed to rain, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to paint. I am finishing up sanding. I gotta pull the windows, lights, covered doors, tape everything off. I'm not painting the whole camper. I'm only gonna bring the paint so far back, probably back into here somewhere. Just because I don't, it costs money to paint, and I don't have a lot of that right now. I had to get a new phone, so that kind of put me down. I had 3 weeks of edited videos for YouTube for 3 weeks, and that would have kept me going. Of the Dodge Journey rebuild, of the camper rebuild, of other things I was doing, and even a video of the fire camper rebuild out at the campground, and talking to some people about what happened to it and showing them the pictures and stuff and their reactions. But this is what I'm doing. I'm going to work on trying to get the outside painted up. This is a Friday afternoon. I'm gonna probably get the body work wrapped up this weekend, and we're gonna start priming and painting. It's supposed to rain off and on for the next couple days. They say a chance of rain, we'll see. But we can't really deal with any rain when I'm doing painting. So we're gonna have to hold off. We're gonna figure it out day by day, because I at least need one full day for the paint to dry, and if it's too humid, then the paint won't dry correctly. If it's too hot, it won't dry. If it rains, then I'm kind of messed up in that area. But we'll get this, we'll get it taken care of. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I am gonna get some more videos going. I do have a project that's coming back to the channel. A rebuild that I did do, a wreck rebuild, that the person that I sold it to got in another wreck with it. But it'll come back maybe. But I am working on videos. I lost a video of a project that I picked up last fall, and I can't get that video back. Some of the videos are saved to SD card, but the SD card ain't reading videos, so I'm kind of SOL. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. This is the fire camper rebuild body work to get this thing looking like it was, or close to what it was before the fire. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.